guys, so this was week 2. I weighed myself on the scale. I had only lost about 1 pound, you could say. It had been a week, so this is why I decided week number 2 to go heavier on the fasting and drop my steps down to 10,000. I've had experience losing weight this way. I still went to the gym. This is my meal 1, my meal number 2. Again, I will be coming out with the ebook pretty soon. I also got to see the new Tesla truck. Today I'm walking at night. This is some of the stuff that's on the trail, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's just a long walking trail. I'm kind of behind today. I think I'm only at probably like 12,000 steps and it's going on like 8 o'clock. So I definitely don't think I'm going to hit 20,000 tonight or today. Excuse me, but if not, then I'll probably just put on whatever I don't make today, tomorrow. But yeah, it's a nice little trail.
What is like AI right now? So